Did you see this Trump tweet that he sent to Tim Cook? Well,
no.
You didn't see this one?
I didn't see it, no.
You know, he's on there. He's on Twitter. His tweet, to Tim, the button on the iPhone was far better than the swipe.
Exclamation mark, too.
Exclamation mark. Plus, he did. I don't know how he decides what he's going to capitalize. To Tim. Okay, he doesn't tag Tim Cook. He just says to Tim. He doesn't properly at him. And then he randomly decides what he's going to capitalize. He capitalizes the word button and swipe. And then all of the word far. And then on iPhone, he capitalizes the I, even though, of course, famously for iPhone, the I is lowercase. But this guy, it's whatever. Maybe it's speed. He just got to get it out quickly, got to get his thoughts out quickly.
He was so mad.
He was so angry. He's probably just sitting there trying to swipe up on his face unlock on his new iPhone. He just got a new iPhone out of the box, and this is the first tweet.
What is this?
Yeah. What am I, swiping? Russia? Anyways, blaming Tim. Maybe he doesn't even mind the swipe, but he's just mad at Tim still, because I think they've had their issues, their disagreements over tariffs and trade and China and whatever else. But anyhow, Trump's tweeting Tim, and a lot of people sent this to me. I had this in the DMs. I had this in my responses. People wanted a quick take on it. It's funny that these worlds collide like this. We have Donald Trump tweeting at Tim, but what is that called when you don't tag someone? Is that called a subtweet? I think you're subtweeting, but typically if you subtweet though, it's not obvious who you're tweeting at to everyone. It's kind of covert. Whereas in this case, he says to Tim and everyone knows exactly who maybe the youngsters can fill me in on how that works. But anyhow, he's tweeting at Tim without tagging him. And we have a response in this particular article from the actual designer or someone who worked on the design team behind the swipe gesture, having a laugh at the president's expense in relationship to the swipe. Though I will say, I do sort of agree with Trump on this. Not the button, but there's something about the swipe up during unlock, because I've been using the Pixel. I'm not saying they shouldn't have it. The two-step is obviously the most secure, and you should be able to have that security setting if you want. But I wish in the software there was also an option for an immediate unlock without the swipe gesture.
Yeah, just straight to the home.
Straight to the home screen. But granted, I don't know if that's what Trump means with this. He might be referring to just going home from within the OS, like swiping up to go to the home page from being in some other app.
Right.
But during the unlock specifically, I wish you had the option to go straight in. That's all I'm saying. So anyhow, Trump's tweeting at Tim Cook, 2019. Jeez. What a time.